My wealthiest clients have one thing in common. They bought the ugliest house on the street. And while their colleagues were posting perfect kitchens on Instagram, these professionals were building generational legacy. And here's how they did it. If you're tired of being priced out of the pretty neighborhoods and you are wondering how professionals seem to be building wealth so fast, this strategy can change everything for you. What I'm about to share goes against everything you've been told. And home buying. Why move-in ready means someone else's profit. If someone just spent $60,000 renovating, they're selling it to you at cost, plus their profit, plus their time. You are literally paying someone else to get rich. The hidden debt of keeping up appearance kills wealth building. You've seen professionals make $150,000 who are house poor because they bought the Instagram-worthy home instead of the wealth-building home. And here's what my wealthiest clients no. My client Sarah, she bought an ugly house in Lakewood for about $320,000. She spent about $25,000 on cosmetics and it appraised for $410,000 after 6 months. That is $65,000 in equity from a $25,000 investment. That is what we call a compound effect. Instead of buying pretty, my client bought ugly, improved it, refinanced it, used that equity for the next property. My client Josh and Marcus did this with 3 homes in the last 3 years. They bought ugly, now they own 3 properties worth $1.2 million in total. Yeah, it works. After helping clients make millions this way, here's my exact formula. Okay, so it's 3 types of ugly that make you money. So one, it's the cosmetic ugly. That's bad paint. That's, outdated fixtures. Looks terrible, but good bones. Then you have layout ugly. That's weird functionality. That's walls that need to be, removed or like punched out like a little area. And then the third one is curb appeal ugly. This is a great house, but terrible first impression. Then we have our profit calculation. Okay, so neighborhood average minus purchase price minus improvement minus a 20% buffer equals your equity gain. Okay, so for example, if you're doing like a $450,000 home, neighborhood average, you purchase it for $320,000, you had about $20,000 buffer, that equals $80,000 of equity gain. Yeah, you guys can do this. I know the math can make you feel, but it is so doable. I know you're thinking, how do I actually find these opportunities? And that is why I've created a Dallas Wealth Building Blueprint session. It is a 30-minute basically strategy session. I'll show you my profit formulas. I'll show you some neighborhoods to look at and what to do next. I've helped over 200 professionals build wealth this way, and the sessions are free for now, and I'm only going to do 5 a month. And then I think that maybe next month I'll do a webinar and that you guys can jump on and we can kind of do one all together. The link is going to be in the description. So don't let another month go by watching other people build legacy while you're paying premium for pretty. I mean, that's okay too, but your future wealthy self will thank you. And of course, I am Kira Ford, your real estate cheerleader, and I help you confidently invest in yourself through real estate.